What's up everybody, welcome back to another video with Leg Nazarep, aka Angel Perez. Today we'll be learning how to DIY a sketchbook using only a DVD movie case, some paper, and something to write with. This DIY would work for many different people, whether it is for a young child or a teen searching for a place to keep their diary. Even if you are a parent looking for a way to distract your young ones on the road, you can easily place a blank sheet of paper in the cover and just give it to them to personalize as their own. When painting with watercolors, you want to wet your desired space on the paper and then dip the paint onto the wet surface. This is literally a tip I learned not that long ago. If you don't have watercolors, another option to creating the tie-dye effect is by using washable markers. All you have to do is color the page and dampen it with water using a paintbrush. I found this out by accident, and as you can see, my spine doesn't look the best. So by being able to match it, I just went ahead and did the same thing, and it worked pretty good. Once done with this, I shook the image some to allow the colors to spread around, and then I gently pressed it against the window in order for it to dry. It surprisingly stuck. While that dried, I started working on the inside decorations. I literally just drew whatever came up in my head. Yeah, I'm not the best artist, but I'm trying. Using either double-sided tape or just folding your tape like I did, attach your decorations to the disc side of the case. Now you're going to cut blank sheets of paper to fit into the other side of the case. I used 5 sheets of pages, that way I will end up with 10 pages in my sketchbook. Finally, just add in something to write with and voila, you're done. Yay! This was my first sketchbook I made. I like the emoji side better than the other. At first it was supposed to be a scary clown with a big colorful outfit, but it didn't work out. This is the sketchbook my little sister Leia made with me. It surprisingly looks pretty good. Her movie case didn't have those clippy things to hold paper in them, so we just taped it on. This DIY would also make for the perfect last minute gift because it shows that you actually put work into it, even if it might not be the beautifulest thing ever. And that is it. If you got this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and press that notification bell right next to the subscription box to get notified for the latest videos. By doing so, it will help me out a lot. With that being said, peace and love and money.